Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party kalaban praphum hanot Shillong constituency swak election MLA Arjar Arpulai. Namarba gidan arngot ki kartong ki bai kini tiket nakate ke constituency ki arngot ki kartong ki bai kini tiket ki de ba Michael Kharsyntiew bad uba M Kharkrang habai kran bigala pathai khobor uba Kharsyntiew ulakam mau yo ka jingkersan nagi noya lamba khman kum uba martamlin perbat bad ki bai pat ulaong ba BJP ki dai ban pej yo breu bala trai lupa de snam bad ubadan ke jinga dai bad ki paj ba.
Give a very good news to our supporters, to our friends from the 17 North Shillong. But as of today, we have decided that both of us, we have teamed up that we will fight the BJP on a BJP ticket from the 17 North. I give my thanks to Martamlin Prabhat. He has given us the support that he will for henceforth not contest anymore the election, and he will work together to have a single for us to work together. So that is the message that is being said today from our side, the message that we want to give to our supporters from the 17 North Shillong. Another thing that we would like to clarify to the press is that as of now, since there are many rumors that has been gone in 17 North Shillong that the ticket has been allotted to this particular candidate or that particular candidate. As you all know, we are two senior BJP members here. I'm also a person who have contested from the party in the 2018 elections from Umsling constituency. And same thing, Ma is a former MDC and also is a senior BJP member. The fact of the matter is that BJP is such a party that it is based on so many aspects, but they allot the ticket. So we would like to make a clarification to the supporters of 17 North. But as of now, the ticket will be decided, as we know, from the central leaders based on survey and based on so many other things. So that is the reason that we would like to make a clarification so that kipat ba kinong Krisyan kinom siya ilang bakla mo kata gede kuwe kabang ako ang presmuto. Another thing that I would like to mention in this press conference is that I humbly request ya kita giparlok kibala mi no who all our friends who have left, all the friends who have left the BJP because of so many reasons. As you know, 17 North, so many people have left, they have gone to other parties and all that. We welcome you, and we also request you to come back, work together. And this message we would like to spread and make a personal appeal to Mr. J. Lingdo, who is the second runners-up in the 2018 election from BJP contested. So we request him, since his supporters, all of them, they are with us, we also request him to not contest this election this time, but to work together with us so that we will bring a winning strategy and will work together to bring change in the 17 North. As you all know, BJP is a very organized based party and it's very disciplined. In the 2018 election that we fought, the ticket was declared on the 2nd of February and the election date was on the 27th. So as of now, no one can claim, even the state president himself, I think you know, he's also applying for a ticket from 18 West constituency. So no one can claim that the ticket has been allotted to a certain particular person or something like that. It will always be based on the work that you do on the ground. So that is what is like that. So I cannot tell you bangal ayo mga or so certain person cannot say ba don't support jongitane this person and that person support ayo ticket. As I have mentioned to you just now, BJP is a very disciplined party. Ticket can be allotted to anybody. Any karyakarta, any party worker of the BJP can be given a ticket. As of now, the person who is on the ground, who has been working for the last 3-4 years, the party is not dumb. The party can see who has the most support of the people, who have the love of the people, and who's working to win the heart. This is what the party is about. We want that in North Shillong, a person who comes from a humble background, a person who comes from a background where there is a one-to-one relation with the voter, that person should be given the opportunity to represent a national party like BJP. Apa bangailik na kanila party ni ka Shillong ba ya ka jing tre hapo madan mo namar ni da Facebook tu ni ki no kersan ni la don lupa ni la ayat kata ngatrai nu ko por covid la tu katu ni la ayat ni ti ki no kersan ki jong ni ki kwa ingi bangailik na po ka nang ni na po ka party BJP tenata ka daw ngarong na sa ong ipi ba kata ka jing ni jong way na ar le si kim dar confident kan do nga ngabu e ka confident ka jong nga hal ki nong ilam jong ni na ka party ki beran hapo Shillong ba ki beran hapo Delhi ba ki beran hapo Assam ba kim pet ken unu upri udan chance ya ka jing job ya kata nga nganum e ya ka party but nga kwa pan make it a point here that I will not leave the party until the day the party makes a decision who will be given a ticket. After that, we will sit together with all our workers, because at the end of the day, this is an election. I have to be elected by the people. I cannot, tell that, okay, I've come as an officer or I've come as a son of some rich businessman and I have to win. The election is the people who will vote for me. And I'm very, very thankful. Yai Martam Din Prabhat. He is a very senior man, he's a very respectable man, and he's a man who is with the public always, as you all know. He has come today, and I'm sure all his people will agree, will work together, and there is without a doubt, there is a guarantee 100% that we are going to win from 17 North. As a candidate, aspiring candidate of BJP, I would like to make it clear over here, since, from henceforth there will be a rumor that certain person has been paid or certain arrangement has been done, but there's nothing like that is done from our side. The reason that we have teamed up together to fight, not to work on separate ways, is that we want the people to bring a change in 17 North, and no financial transaction dan gajing SEO dan gajing thiet kumakajulong kani kadai. But this is purely based on the love for the party and the support that we have, that we want BJP to win in 17 North Shillong this time in 2023. Kamandal kadang ne kumjo, kamandal kadang scam back, kamdal kano gajing apa. Actually, ngaku akan make this a point. There is no split in the party in BJP Shillong. There is no split at all. Please take this. Kamdan jingpat ye. Kasudan tang laingut ki candidate saw menhakani laingut mentang, but mentang sastang arngut ki bapan tiket na ka party. Mereka mandal kadang scam, kamandal kadang don, but ngaru kumu aspiring candidate bapan tiket ngaburam ya kamandal. Kumakalong ki members yang kamandal borok ngakwa iki bakinya trilang na menta kajing job chong ka party kajungi. Ai ba ki kinrai da kajing start kajungi mano badan chance banjob upai ba ukam kwa yano ban represent badia utau ba ki pai ba ki kwa ketika bukan dik serta kanang ba kajing job kanwan. Ba Kharkrang is a bureaucrat. He recently joined the party, as we all know, on the 3rd of this month. We welcome such intellectual people into the party. As a young party leader, I've been with the party now 7 years, 8 years running, and Ma has been there for a very long time. When we have intellectual people like Sir SP Mohanta, we have all these top lawyers who have joined us, we welcome them. As I told you, the BJP from Delhi and the BJP who are running the show in the country, they know who are on the ground, who are there to work for the public. And I'm thankful Kharkrang ru ba ila join ka party ke jongi. We need people like him. We need people who are intellectual, who are who come from that background, because that will give us more support on the ground. But let the best man, the best person be given a chance to represent the public. As of now, as you all know, I have been loyal to the party. I have been there for the party right from the time of 2016. I've been there. I was there from the time when there was a show cause notice that was issued against me when I raised up the ticket for scam issue that has been mentioned. So even for that, at that point of time, I have been loyal with the party. And if the party decide, as of now, if the party decide that I have a chance of winning and I have a chance of coming up and long representative of a party to be given the ticket, I will fight. And if somehow the party makes a decision for the betterment, that we also understand that okay, the weightage is more and the chance of winning is there, Then at that point of time, we will call all our supporters together. I'm sure Imaru in agree, both of us will work and we will see what is the next course. See, Jilingdo is a person who is a very senior politician, and he knows very well that the BJP, as it is a very organization. The BJP is very strong. But the fact is that maybe because of certain things that has happened to him within the party, in the leaders here in the state, maybe because of that, Jilingdo, he felt let down or sidelined or anything like that, which he felt that there will be no chance for him to apply for the ticket. But at the moment, as we all know, I am a very new person at 2018. I fought on the ground and I was given the ticket on the first list from the BJP. So with this, development that is happening today, where we have Martamlin Prabhat, as you all know, he is also one of the person who is applying for the ticket. He has, given the support to us. So we think that our chances of getting the ticket and fighting will be more stronger. And we know that Jilingdo is also a BJP man. He's always a BJP man. He has fought the election and he came second. He lost by a narrow margin of only 200, not 300. So if he comes together, since most of his supporters are the people whom we have been working together from 2019, even during the COVID time, all of his people are with us. So we also request him, guys, work together, bring the BJP, because the BJP is a national party.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.